po yan na hindi na po alam ng Kongreso kung saan napupunta. And it's part of our obligation to know where these savings are. Magandang umaga po or tanghali na pala. Madam Sponsor, my first question is with regards to the status of contract of service and job contract since DBCC naman ito dun sa special provision. Madam Sponsor, yung regarding din sa inquiry ko before on solo parents because on our law, sabi, they are entitled. Kahit job contract sila, job order or contract of service sila, they are entitled to the 7-day leave. So I think this is an opportunity. Pwede bang isama natin sa special provision para i-clarify sa lahat ng agencies that they are qualified for the parental leave of 7 days. Madam Speaker, umaandar po yung oras.
Madam Speaker, we are checking the joint circular.
Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, there's a joint circular and there's a joint circular number 1, series of 2017, issued June 15, 2017. And I will read to you one provision which could be a problem. And I'll read to you the provision verbatim. The services of the contract of service and job order workers are not covered by civil service law and rules, thus not creditable as government service. They do not enjoy the benefits enjoyed by government employees such as leave, pera, rata, and 13th month pay. So that is what the DBM has told me, but if it is specific in the solo parents law, I will support you. Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
Yes, Madam Speaker, because a mere joint memorandum circular isn't enough para may batas tayo, bagong
Yes.
pasa yung batas, mas latest
Yes.
yun, yung batas. So we have to follow that. That's why we have to put it in the special provision. I know that's what the problem is. Walang employee-employer relationship, si job order at saka si contract of service. But we should have thought of that before we passed the law. But we passed the law and signed by the President. So we have to honor the law.
That is correct. I tend to agree with you. So, definitely, hindi tayo papayag na a joint circular will trump the law. So, paglalaban po natin yan, Madam Speaker.
I will submit a proposal for a special provision so that all agencies, national government agencies, recognizes this. Even the